Maazi Ezeoke speaking. I made a video yesterday on the incident that happened in Nkpor and how we lost a young man. Some people said two, but at least the one we saw was one. Now, we haven't lost any life to COVID-19, but we have lost life to the lockdown. This is very tragic and unacceptable. I called out yesterday the Anambra state governor to ensure that this never happens again and that they have to protect the people. A serious government should have seen this coming, and that's why I made that video. I'm not making videos just for fun of it. I'm making video to sensitize and to fill the gap where government appear to be failing. Now the youths are on rampage. I'm using this medium once more to say that we are not going to lose any more lives. Please, the governor, let's not lose further lives. Stay on top of this and ensure that no lives is lost. Now you can watch what the youths are doing. This is a very tragic thing to happen within the state called
They are destroying government things.
This is avoidable. Really avoidable. If the government took people serious, there was a life that was lost yesterday and had expected the governor to have visited that place or to have made broadcasts regarding this. One life is too many to lose. And with these youths all on lockdown now, they are rampaging the streets.
Wahala.
Maazi Ezeoke,
they are destroying the million local government right now.
We will not allow any more lives to be lost. Enough of this.
The million local government they are destroying right now. Problem. We have problem now.
You can see how angry the youths are. You can see them roaming the street with sticks, basically in anger. If someone had spoken to them yesterday, do you think this will be happening? If someone has taken the pain to assuage their fears that they are on top of this, do you think this will be happening? This is indeed a clear case of governance failure. The government failed to do the needful that they ought to have done yesterday and early this morning before people woke up. Because this will not be ongoing. If people woke up this morning, being Thursday, and seeing that the government is already there, talking to them, trying to, speaking to the family, people will not take this law into their hands. Again, there is honestly gap in leadership. If you are there for the people, you should have known that this will happen today. Maazi Ezeoke said this yesterday. I saw this coming. If I can see this coming, warning the government, why wouldn't you see it? You have security reports or anything, and this is happening without seeing it. It breaks my heart because this is avoidable. The greater risk here is that we may lose more lives, and that is the one that pains me most. No life is worth losing because of something like this that is avoidable. The first initial death yesterday was avoidable. This riot now was equally avoidable if the right strategies were put in place. We should begin to show empathy in leadership. If the leadership cared, if empathy was shown, the people would not be on the street. I don't know if, in anger and when people are angry and they are hungry, I don't even know what the people have received so far from the government. If people's fear yesterday was assuaged, if they felt, okay, it was a mistake, some sort of, and the government is working to bring the perpetrator to book and promise them that it's not going to happen with the right, strategies in place, we will not be here. Let this be a wake-up call. Anambra State is only on the fourth day of the lockdown, and this is already happening. 2 more weeks to go. So let it be a wake-up call to everybody. Maazi Ezeoke once more. Let us remain safe and remain blessed.